Welcome back. So 630 adults were asked whether they had studied French, Spanish, or Japanese in school. The results were as follows. 30 had studied all the three subjects. 54 had studied both Japanese and French. 66 had studied both Japanese and Spanish. 144 both Spanish and French. 312 French, 378 Spanish, and 150 Japanese. So create the Venn diagram to represent the information, and then use the Venn diagram to respond to questions that follows, B to F. This question has three main sets of interest. So a set of those who study Spanish, French, and Japanese. So in our Venn diagram, it's clear that we are going to have three circles, and then use the information that is given to fill the sections of those three circles. So let this be the universal set. And without loss of generality, the cardinality of the union, the universal set is 630. So let's have this as the set that represents those who study French. Let this be the set of those who study Spanish. Let this be the set of those who study Japanese. Then we can put or can label these sections A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and outside we call it H. So the information given is clear that if we take A, we add B, we add C, we add D, we add E, F, G, and H, total is 630. Quality question 1. Now, those who study French are 312. So that means if I take A plus B plus D plus E, I get 312. Quality question 2. Then those who study Spanish, which is in the black set, Spanish is 378. So B plus C plus E plus F equals to 378. Call it 3. Those who study Japanese are 150. So if I take D plus E plus F plus G, I get 150. So this is 4. Let's go to the intersections. 54 have studied both Japanese and French. So JF, meeting point, total should be 54. JF. So JF is D, E should be 54. So D plus E is 54. Call it 5. The other information is 66 have studied both Japanese and Spanish. JS meeting point total should be 66. JS is E plus F, total should be 66. Call this one 6. And then the other intersection is 144 have studied Spanish and French. SF meeting point is 144. SF, S and F, so B plus E should be 144, call 7. And the other information given is that 30 are taking all the 3 subgroups. So 30 is the point where all the 3 circles meet. So E is 30, call it 8. So now we can comfortably fill this as 30, this section. B plus E is 144, so B will be 144 minus E, which is 30. So 144 minus 30, 114. So where does B we fill by 114? So we have used this equation. E plus F is 66, so F will be 66 minus E, which is 30. So this will be 36. So F is 36. And then D plus E is 54. So 54 minus 30 should give us the value for D, which will be 24. So you fill 24 in this section. Now, we know that A plus B plus E plus D is totaling to 312. So A, which is unknown, plus B, 114, plus D, which is 24, plus E, which is 30, should be 312. So 114 plus 24 plus 30, 168 from 312 gives us the value of A, which is going to be 144. And then B plus B, which is 114, plus C, which is unknown, plus E30, plus F, which is 36, should give us 378. So 114 plus 30 plus 36, that's 180. You subtract from 378, you get 108. So this is 198. And then G will be obtained from this equation. So D is 24, E is 30, F is 36. So when we add G, total should be 150. So 24 plus 30 plus 36, 90. From 150, you get 60. So G is 60. Now to get H, the only remaining unknown, we know that A is 144, B is 114, C is 198, D is 24, E is 30, F is 36, G is 60. When we add H, we get total, which is 630. So 144 plus 114 plus 198 plus 24 plus 30 plus 36 plus 60 is 606. Subtract from 630, you get 24. So H is going to be 24. So that's the complete Venn diagram for this particular question. So with the complete Venn diagram, we will be able now to respond to the preceding questions. So the question B, how many have studied Spanish but not French? So you are in S, but you'll not be counted to be in F. So to be in S, so that you are not counted to be in F, means you are in this section. So it should be 198 plus 36, and 198 plus 36 is 234. So 234 is the answer to part B. C, how many have studied Japanese but not French? Means you are in J, but you shouldn't be counted to be in F. So J is this green circle, and to be in green circle and at the same time not to be counted in F means you are in this part. So G and F. So 60 plus 36. So 60 plus 36, that is 96. So the answer to C is 96. And then D, how many have studied both French and Spanish? French Spanish means where F and S meet. F and S meets at this section. So 30 plus 114. So 114 plus 30 is 144. So the answer will be 144 for part D. Part F, how many have studied French or Spanish? So French or Spanish, where F meets S. So that's what you have done part D. And then E, how many have studied French? Okay, so the question was repeated. French or Spanish. Okay, so the French, or the first part D was how many have studied both French and Spanish. So both French and Spanish means where S and F meet. So S and F meet at these points here, so 144. But then next one is how many have studied French or Spanish. So French or Spanish means you are either in F or you are in S or both. So F, S, or both means we have 144 plus 114 plus 24 plus 30 plus 36 and then plus 198. So this part E. So when we add this, we get 546. And then lastly, how many have studied both French and Spanish, but not Japanese? So means first you should be counted to be in F and at the same time S. So FS means you are either in B or E. But then we have another condition that you should not be in J set, Japanese set. So if you are in E, you can be counted to be in Japanese set. So the only point where you'd be counted to be in S and F alone is this part B, whose value is 114. So that's the value for F. Thank you.